You've spent a bunch of time and energy and resources putting a video out into the world, hitting that post button, and then all of a sudden, crickets. I'm gonna show you my system for making videos that get mass attention online. I'm so excited to share this system with you. It is responsible for quite literally over 5 billion video views across the internet. It's a 4-step system called the Hero System. It's a checklist that you want to go through for every single video that you make, and stick around because at the end I'm going to show you how to use it for TikTok. And when you use this system for TikTok, things get crazy. Now you can use the Hero System for any video online, but mostly what we're talking about today as far as optimizations go is for videos that are in social news feeds. So we're talking about LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Okay, so let's get into the Hero System. So the H is for hook. So hook is all about the first 3 to 5 seconds of your video. So you want to make sure to hook people in with, first of all, the best headline that you possibly have if you don't have great footage, or the best footage that you have. Now, you should not save the best for last here. When you're making social videos for these platforms, you need to front load the best stuff. The first 10 to 15 seconds is where all the magic happens, so make sure it's there. In fact, the first 3 to 4 seconds is where all the magic of the magic happens. Most of the time, that is not going to be the case. You're not gonna have that great footage. And that's okay, you can just use a headline. Just a really specific, teasy headline that you can put right on the screen so that people stop scrolling. The E is for empathy, and empathy is my favorite word. It's the only reason why anyone clicks any link, watches any video, buys any product or service online. Empathy is everything. So right from the beginning, right from the hook, we have to start feeling that emotional identification, that connection. Because when you lead with empathy, it's gonna get people sharing it. And we want people to share because that's how you're going to get the most attention from your video content. So you wanna create an experience where people see themselves in your content. People want a mirror, so give it to them. The R stands for response. Really what we're talking about here is an emotional response. You want people to not just consume this content, but go forth and share it. Now, a lot of the work and response is done by empathy, but you have to go and take it a step further by making people feel the need to pass this along as if it's sort of a public service announcement. There's an emotional response that needs to happen so that people feel driven to share this content, or you could ask them to share it with people at the end. The O is for over deliver. This is super important. There is so much video content out there, and chances are the video that you're making is not a video that's never been made before. So you need to over deliver. If you can just spend an extra 5 minutes adding a little bit more information, putting in a little bit more context, whatever it takes just to make it seem like you have not made the same video that others have made. You've gone the extra mile. You care a little bit more. Value can be a different way to make your bed, or value could be a life-changing perspective shift. It's all value. And as long as we're over delivering on it, we've done justice to our viewers, and that is going to get them to share. Now you see how these all work with each other. Over delivering causes response, empathy causes response, and the hook gets people engaged through all of it. All of these things in the Hero System have to work together to allow your videos to soar. But when they do, it can really get you tons of mass attention online. And there is no better place than TikTok to look for this stuff, because TikTok has an algorithm that is designed for shareability. So to go viral on TikTok, you still use the Hero System, you just want to change your hook. So whereas your headline on the other social platforms might be something more similar to a BuzzFeed headline, instead you want to tease. People are looking for that resolution. So you want to change that hook into something that teases. Something's coming, but they're not going to tell you what yet. You're kind of leaning towards that plot twist, that change, that reveal. You're covering up something where it's so clear that there's a secret or a mystery hidden behind it that they cannot wait to turn the page and see what happens. That gets them through the video, because TikTok highly favors videos that people will watch all the way through and even loop over and over again. Those resolutions are addicting. People want to see them over and over again. So when you use your hook to tease people in that way, it pulls them through the video, gets them to replay it, and then sends a signal to the algorithm that this is valuable content that other people want to see, and they will show it to more people. Now, if you want to know what the TikTok algorithm loves in order, I show you in this video right here where I go through the TikTok algorithm in depth. And over here, I'll show you exactly what video to make in the first place. If you have a lack of ideas, this video is going to fix it for you. I'll see you there.